Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Danny for those of you that are new here, and this is my 2022 GR86. Now in today's video we have sponsored content for you guys, and this is going to be from a company called Suma Performance. Shout out to Eddie for sending me this product to review on the channel for you guys. So what we got here is the wide angle mirrors for the 2022 GR86 and the BRZ. And they also have this like anti-glare coating, or this like tint. It's a blue colored. It's supposed to help, you know, for nighttime driving when you got those cars that like to drive with high beams on behind you. It's supposed to help with that. So let's unbox these and see what's inside. All right, so let's see what we get inside of the packaging here. Looks like we got some Suma Performance decals, the little samurai character there. And these are the mirrors. This is your driver's side mirror, and this is your passenger side mirror. Let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, there's the blue tint that I was talking about. And these are the tabs that hold the mirror in place. And I'll get into a little bit more details on that once we actually install it. These connectors here are going to be for the defogger. If your car comes equipped with the defog feature, this is where you're going to plug it in. I'm not sure if every single model comes with that feature. I have the premium GR86, so I don't know if the base models actually come with that or not. There is a couple of different versions of these mirrors that Suma Performance sells. There is one that doesn't even have the defogger feature, and there's also one that has an integrated turn signal built into the mirror. So probably somewhere here you'll have like an arrow that indicates when you have your turn signals on. I haven't seen anybody online figure out how to wire that up yet, since we do not have turn signals on the mirrors, or on the mirror caps rather. So just get the one that fits your car. I will be leaving the product link in the description box below, so go ahead and check those out if you are trying to purchase a set for your car. One thing to note is, so the wide angle is only going to be on the driver's side. It's not going to be on both driver and passenger side. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it here. I'll try to get a reflection of the camera. But so only the driver's side will have the wide angle. The passenger side will just be a normal mirror. All right, well, let's get these guys installed and we'll go from there. All right guys, to get started, first thing you're gonna wanna do is fold your mirror out like this. I am currently on the driver's side. Here is a side-by-side comparison with the mirrors. It's pretty much a direct size comparison. I really like the fact that they didn't put any branding on the mirror. It looks nice and clean. It would have been cool if we would have kept the little defogger icon on there, but it still looks really nice. So the tabs that we need to pry up to get this thing loose are going to be these little tabs that are on the side of these tabs that are here. These don't have those little side tabs that I'm pointing to. Hopefully the camera is capturing this, but so what you're gonna wanna do is use either a pry tool or a very small flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to push up or push away from these tabs to get it off. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I tried with a pry tool already and it wasn't very easy to do with that. So I wrapped my screwdriver with some Teflon tape just so that I don't damage the edges of this, because you're basically going to stick your screwdriver in there and you're going to use the edge as for leverage, and then pop up here and here. So you're gonna wanna position the mirror, use your controllers to position the mirror with this point facing out as far as possible so that you can see these tabs. So this mirror, just imagine it goes like this, right? So these two tabs are located right here. So you're gonna find the one that you can see, pry up and away from it, and then do the same thing. You know, reposition your mirror. Now make this end kind of stick out that way, right? And then you're going to see these two. The one that you can see closest to you is the one that you're going to pry up and away like that. The last thing you're gonna do is disconnect the connector that is located right here in the top corner. All right, let's do this. All right, once you got it off, there is your connector. I'm just gonna use my flathead screwdriver to pry up on it. And there you have it. These stock mirrors have this little hook looking thing that the new Suma performance mirrors don't have, but I've already looked in there and there is nothing that this makes contact with. At first I thought maybe, you know, this makes contact with something electrically and, you know, it's supposed to be needed, but there's nothing in there that actually makes contact with this, so we really don't need that. So you can see the back of the mirror looks very similar to the Suma Performance, except for this corner here. It doesn't have a plastic cover on it, but this is all still exposed, which I was kind of surprised to see this because when I wash my car I'm always spraying water in here and I'm probably not gonna do that anymore. So let's get the Suma Performance mirror. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is reconnect our defogger. All right. Now basically what we're going to do is we're going to push in the area where we know that those tabs are, and we're just gonna push firmly directly in the area where we know that they are to get those tabs seated again. All right. You might need a flashlight to see where these go. All right, have you heard that popping sound? That's basically them snapping back into place. And it sucks that I had to force it in like that, but that's what it is. I'm going to reposition this the other way so that I can snap the other two into place. All right, so that was the sound that you want to hear, so that you know that your tabs are back where they need to be. And you can just tilt your mirror around, make sure all your functions are good. All right, Looks like we're good. Give it a, you know, just give a nice little push on the corners. Make sure it's not loose. Make sure it's not gonna fly off on you when you're driving. But you should be good as long as you press in the areas where you know that the tabs are. So just follow the steps and do the same thing on the passenger side and you can get both sides done. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude this install and review on the Suma Performance wide angle mirrors. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you think you're going to pick up a pair of these for your vehicle. I really like the way they look. I'm a big fan of the blue tint. That might be something that not everybody is into and might not want that for their vehicle. As far as the wide angle is concerned, the best way for me to describe to you guys what that effect is actually like, just open up your camera app on your favorite smartphone and zoom all the way in, and that is what your normal mirrors look like. Now if you hit your zoom out, that is what wide angle looks like on these mirrors. That's the easiest way for me to describe it to you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and supporting the channel. Once again, my name is Danny, and thank you to all the new subscribers. My current goal is to hit 500 subscribers on the channel, and we're really close to doing that. When we do hit that 500 goal, I will be revealing the new wheels that I picked up for this car. I teased it on my Instagram story a couple of weeks back, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and check me out. So stay tuned for a wheel reveal video, as well as a long-term ownership review on the car. I've put quite a bit of miles on the car as of late, and I know originally I said that it wasn't going to be a daily driver and all that, but things have changed. So I will be doing a long-term review on the car for you guys. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great one.